I did a video a little while back about how to turn an old t-shirt into DIY t-shirt yarn, and now that the CDC is recommending people wear cloth masks outside, I thought I'd show you how to turn the leftovers from that project into a mask. You'll start the same as the t-shirt yarn tutorial by cutting a straight line from pit to pit. We'll take the upper part and cut off each sleeve. The easiest access is from the underarm down here. And I'm going to cut a little bit to get going, and then cut all around the sleeve piece just to the left of the seam. So here's what one of your sleeve pieces will look like. Then do the same for the other sleeve. You can use anything you have for ties, or you can harvest them from the collar hem, and the bottom hem. Then take one sleeve piece and lay it out like so, with the longer side down. And take the other sleeve and put it inside that sleeve, laying the same way. I wanted to double up the layers because this t-shirt was pretty thin. Then you can take your ties and insert them through the sleeves like this. You could also place some non-woven material as a filter if you'd like. Then fold the long piece up and tuck it under the short piece. And now we can try it on. I tied the bottom ties first, and then after I tied the top ties, I had to readjust the bottom ones. And hey, it's something. Now go turn the rest into yarn. Thanks for watching. Bye!